terus percaya, buktikan semangat kita bersama.
Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu Malaysia.
Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku. Pertahankan kedamaian untukmu Malaysiaku. Salam sejahtera Malaysia, warna-warni indah hias tercipta. Walau kita berbeza suara, tetap bersamamu akan hadapinya.
Hidup satu bumi, kita semua satu rumpun. Kau bahasa apa, aku tidak kisah. Mereka bersama satu Malaysia.
Hasilnya memang luar biasa, impanya ke serata dunia. Jadi kita jangan berbelah, sebab kita janji kita akan jaga kita. Hey yeah.
Tanam di minda semai di jiwa, penuh bangsa, agama dan budaya. Tetap kita sehati sejiwa, itulah kekuatan Malaysia. Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu Malaysia. Selamanya ini tanah tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku. Pertahankan kedamaian selamanya. Ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku. Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku. Pertahankan kedamaian untukmu Malaysiaku. Ingat semula dan terus percaya, buktikan semangat kita bersama.
Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu Malaysia.
Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku. Pertahankan kedamaian untuk tercipta. Walau kita berbeza suara, tetap bersamamu akan hadapinya.
Hidup satu bumi, kita semua satu rumput. Kau bahasa apa, aku tidak kisah. Mereka bersama satu Malaysia.
Hasilnya memang luar biasa, impanya ke serata dunia. Jadi kita jangan berbelas, sebab kita janji kita akan jaga kita. Hey, yeah.
Tanam di minda, semai di jiwa, penuh bangsa, agama dan budaya. Tetap kita sehati sejiwa, itulah kekuatan Malaysia. Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu Malaysia. Ini tanah tumpahnya darahku, keranamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian selamanya. Ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, selamanya. Ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian untukmu Malaysiaku. Ingat semula dan terus percaya, buktikan semangat kita bersama.
Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu Malaysia.
Selamanya. Ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian untukmu Malaysiaku. Salam sejahtera Malaysia, warna-warni indah hias tercipta. Walau kita berbeza suara, tetap bersamamu akan hadapinya.
Hidup satu bumi, kita semua satu rumput. Kau bahasa apa, aku tidak kisah. Mereka bersama satu Malaysia.
Hasilnya memang luar biasa, impanya ke serata dunia. Jadi kita jangan berbelas, sebab kita janji kita akan jaga kita. Hey, yeah.
Tanam di minda, semai di jiwa. terus percaya, buktikan semangat kita bersama.
Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu Malaysia.
Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian untukmu Malaysiaku. Salam sejahtera Malaysia, warna-warni indah hias tercipta. Walau kita berbeza suara, tetap bersamamu akan hadapinya.
Hidup satu bumi, kita semua satu rumpun. Kau bahasa apa, aku tidak kisah. Mereka bersama satu Malaysia.
Hasilnya memang luar biasa, impanya ke serata dunia. Jadi kita jangan berbelah, sebab kita janji kita akan jaga kita. Hey yeah.
Tanam di minda semai di jiwa, penuh bangsa, agama dan budaya. Tetap kita sehati sejiwa, itulah kekuatan Malaysia. Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu Malaysia. Selamanya ini tanah tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian. Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku. Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian untukmu Malaysiaku. Ingat semula dan terus percaya, buktikan semangat kita bersama.
Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu Malaysia.
Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian untuk kita, walau kita berbeza suara, tetap bersamamu akan hadapinya.
Hidup satu bumi, kita semua satu rumput. Kau bahasa apa, aku tidak kisah. Mereka bersama satu Malaysia.
Hasilnya memang luar biasa.
Hello, welcome. Kejap kita bagi about a few minutes lah untuk view kita masuk . Tapi sebentar tu saya nak mengucapkan welcome and thank you kepada view yang kita ada untuk join session live kami pada minggu ni. Hari ni kita buat live session kita awal sikit lah, pukul 3 kan. Biasanya kita buat pukul 5 petang. But today to cater to our guests apa semua, and kita tengok pun we feel like pukul 3 is more suitable lah for our live sessions kan. More people might be able to join us lah. Okay, so today actually it's quite interesting. I'm quite excited for today's live sessions. But before that, like I said, I want to thank you everyone for joining us in the live session. We usually do our live session every week between 3 to 5 PM macam tu lah. And then, okay, tak apa. So, hari ni sebenarnya our topic or our session today is actually will be about cryptocurrency lah. Seeing as it is quite a hot topic kan recently, and then since our live session bercakap pasal cryptocurrency with Kodam juga sebelum ni on the 24th of March, since then memang ramai jugalah yang request kita buat more topics macam cryptocurrency ni kan, sebab quite a lot of people interested to know about the cryptocurrency punya world. So that's why this week we are inviting a special guest today, which is I believe is two individuals representing Bitcoin Win and Crypchain Academy. So I think yang akan join kita, ya, tak silap saya lah, ada dua orang. Okay, so first kita introduce seorang dulu lah. But before that, I just want to mention today we have a sponsor lah, sponsor for today's live session, which is Bitcoin Win. But further information on Bitcoin Win kita akan discuss towards the end of the live session. So please stay tuned. It's quite interesting. I think a lot of people might might benefit quite a lot lah from this new program or app yang these group of people are trying to launch in Malaysia. Okay, but without any further ado, I want to introduce our first guest for today lah, that is representing Bitcoin Win and Crypchain Academy. So we have here with us Mr. Edmond Chong.
Ya, saya.
Hi, Mr. Edmond
So,
Chong.
hello, selamat petang.
Hi, welcome. Selamat petang.
Yeah,
Please,
so-
could you please introduce yourself, a brief introduction and who you are, what you do lah.
Okay, nama saya Edmond Chong. So, sekarang ni I sebagai satu financial analyst dekat dalam industri ni. So, tidak boleh dinafikan sebab sekarang ni ada banyak news kita cerita sebagai rencana yang berlaku sangat kuat dengan hebat. So, itulah sebab kita nak bring up isu ni, Luna, secara ringkas kepada rakan-rakan. Sebab I fahami sekarang ni memang ada banyak orang brought up this issue, tapi mereka akan cerita dengan lebih mendalam. Jadi kemungkinan rakan-rakan yang tak pernah dengar ataupun mereka kurang faham, mereka akan jadi lebih keliru.
Okay. Yes. Edmond, Mr. Edmond pun. Okay, sorry lah. Before we start lah, just to ice breaking session kan. Should I call you
Yes.
Edmond ke, Edmond Chong ke? You want me to call you
Edmond
bro
pun
ke?
boleh. No problem.
Edmond lah. Okay. I call you Edmond lah. Okay. Okay, Edmond. Thanks for joining us. As you mentioned, you are representing Bitcoin Win and Crypchain Academy kan?
Yep.
Okay. Maybe you can give a bit of background lah. How long have you been working with Bitcoin Win and Crypchain Academy? And maybe after that, you can just explain briefly and introduce to us what is Crypchain Academy lah. So maybe all the viewers will know where you come from lah and what do you do.
Alright, so I joined Crypchain ni tahun ni I join sini. So sebenarnya Crypchain Academy ni dia merupakan satu institusi. Dia adalah satu institusi yang memberikan pengajaran dari segi education secara profesional. So yang mereka ni dia lebih fokus kepada kripto. So dari sini mereka bagi pengajaran dari semua segi, macam pembelajaran, macam new. Tapi ada satu kebaikan dia sangat baik, iaitu dia ada 3 bahasa.
Oh, okay.
Ada 3 bahasa. Maksudnya kalau sekarang ni macam kita nak tengok satu news, dekat satu news kita kena tengok Bloomberg. Bloomberg dia bahasa Inggeris. So mungkin I tak tahu you all lah, tapi I Chinese ni mungkin ada selisih tak faham.
Ya, betul ya.
I kena feature, I kena translate, sangat susah. Betul.
Yeah,
so,
then the information might mistranslate kan.
Yes. So dekat Crypchain Academy ni mereka tiap hari mereka akan buat 3 bahasa dengan berita yang terkini. Mereka akan blast dekat mana-mana untuk investor yang join kita.
Okay. So what language yang 3 languages kan? So I'm assuming one of them is English lah.
Yes, English, Chinese, bahasa Melayu.
Okay. Understand.
Sebab kita Malaysian, 3 bahasa ni paling penting, betul.
Betul. So anyone really can just go on to Crypchain Academy. It's a website, yeah? You guys have a website kan?
Yes.
So I'm assuming they all can go to the Crypchain Academy website and try to educate themselves more lah on the cryptocurrency world and what's happening in the recent times lah in the cryptocurrency world kan? Okay. So Crypchain Academy ni is you mentioned is a platform where it can help educate people lah, right? Regarding the cryptocurrency world. But do they have macam certain syllabus or programs that they can enter, or is just quite an informal thing lah for them to just read it up on their own? Ke macam mana?
Okay, so nanti bila itu rakan-rakan ataupun investor mereka join, bukan sahaja ada kelas, mereka ada macam berbagai social media. Okay. Dia ada banyak cara boleh dapat informasi segera. Maksudnya, contoh mungkin Luna ni soal berlaku. Kita pula selepas tu baru bincangkan, sudah lewat. Tapi kalau dekat Cryptochain ni, mereka sebelum Luna ataupun apa yang berlaku terhadap Luna tu, mereka akan cerita from time to time, dari semasa ke semasa.
Okay, so it's really memang betul-betul up to date lah. So like we don't have to worry about being outdated or anything like that.
Betul.
Okay lah. Seeing as today's topic is quite a hot topic, and like you mentioned, Terra Luna and everything that's going on in recent times and the past 1 or 2 months, everyone's been talking about it. So without further ado, we get into it lah, kan? But maybe before that, I'll just give a brief background lah, and who I am and why I'm interested in this topic, kan? Because I don't necessarily have the professional background within the cryptocurrency world, but I have the interest lah. So before this, I've been trying to get into cryptocurrency, buy and sell here and there, kan? So that's why I'm also personally interested in this topic. That's why I can't wait to get into it lah. And I want to thank Mr. Edmond Chong ni to join us and to give us more details on maybe his insights on why this happened lah in the cryptocurrency world. Okay. So to start off, we can get your personal opinion lah. What happened dengan Terra Luna ni, and within the cryptocurrency world kan, and maybe you can share a bit of background and what is Terra Luna? Yeah.
Alright, so basically kita semua tahu, pernah dengar saja Terra Luna. So jadi ni sudah jadi satu perbahasan yang sangat hangat di industri kripto dunia. So apa yang buat dia sangat drastik? Tapi sebelum kita bagi tahu apa dia punya cerita sebenar, kita kena tahu sikit asal usul apa itu Terra Luna.
Betul, yes.
So Terra Luna ni sebenarnya dia merupakan satu projek jaringan. So what we call is networking. Blockchain yang dibangun oleh Dihoskan dengan token. Yang ni mereka mendirikan blockchain ni pada tahun 2018. Jadi mereka dua ni sebenarnya adalah pengasas. Terra Luna adalah pengasas ataupun pencipta dari aset kripto di Terra Luna ni. So Terra Luna ni sebenarnya mereka punya network, mereka akan membuat satu perusahaan untuk pengembangan blockchain berbasis di South Korea yang bernama Terraform Lab.
Okay.
So Terra Network ni dia juga terhubung dengan Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain dan Harmony dengan etc. Dia ada banyak lagi sebenarnya, tapi yang tiga ni adalah main dia punya. Okay, so lagi satu, so apabila kita cerita dengan Terra Luna ni sebenarnya adalah satu token. Token yang kita boleh penjual beli. We can buy, we can sell. It's just like something like Forex.
Yeah, correct. Like, I mean, like the Ripple or anything like that lah that you can find, right?
Yes, correct.
Yes, okay.
So dia buy and sell dengan menggunakan sistem blockchain.
Yes.
So sebab dia adalah coin, jadi dia telah melahirkan dua kripto utama, iaitu Terra USD. Biasa kita sebut dia sebagai UST, T untuk Thailand, UST.
Oh, okay.
Dia digelar sebagai stable coin.
Yeah.
Lepas tu ada lagi satu Terra Luna, dia adalah sebagai satu token. So yang inilah dia punya rumusan apa yang kita selalu cerita apa itu Terra Luna. So Terra Luna sebagai satu kesimpulannya, dia adalah satu token krypton yang didirikan oleh Terraform Lab.
Okay. Thank you, Edmond. So basically, like you mentioned just now lah, Terra Luna ni is just another cryptocurrency, just like Ripple or Bitcoin or Ethereum that you can buy and sell on a digital asset exchange lah. Correct?
Yes, betul.
And then they are paired with UST, you mentioned just now? Thailand.
Thailand.
UST. Okay. So it's different from BUSD ataupun USDT, kan? Okay. But that one we get back to that later lah. So what from your knowledge lah, is there any usage outside of trading, buy and selling of Terra Luna? Dia ada macam usability tak? Why how come tiba-tiba ramai orang talk about Terra Luna kan?
Sebab dekat USD ni dia sebenarnya dia adalah satu buy and sell. So sebab dia sebenarnya adalah satu supply dengan demand. So sebab terlalu orang sell dia, jadi dia punya Luna pun sudah mengurang. Jadi kestabilan dia sudah tak sama.
So basically it's just the word of mouth and popularity lah, demand and supply kan. The more people demand, the higher the price lah kan.
Yeah.
Okay lah. Okay, then maybe we just get on to the next question lah. Like I mentioned just now, what what is the difference lah between UST and Terra Luna kan? Maybe you can explain, because sometimes maybe people who are not into cryptocurrency, they want to tengok, or they want to buy Luna but then it's paired with UST, and then they get confused which one to buy and how to buy and stuff like that kan? Maybe you can explain further lah the differences between the two.
Alright, so sebenarnya Terra UST
Okay.
kita pun sebut sebagai UST, T untuk
Yeah.
Thailand. So ada lagi satu adalah Terra Luna. Sebenarnya ni yang dua ni mereka adalah token asli dari Terra Luna juga. Mereka adalah sebuah projek blockchain yang dikembangkan oleh perusahaan Terra Lab di Korea Selatan. So sebenarnya mereka Terra Luna UST ni dengan Terra Luna ni mereka adalah saling berkaitan punya antara satu sama lain. They are mutual sama punya, mutually sama.
Oh, okay. So basically, if one is one price, the other one will be about the same price lah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yang ini serupanya I baru nak bagi satu contoh. So maksudnya kalau USD dia punya harga tinggi sikit, Luna dia akan kurang sikit sebab mereka nak samakan.
To balance out lah the ratio.
Yes, seimbangkan. Ya, betul.
Okay, faham.
That's why Terra Luna mereka ada mereka punya ratio 1:1 dekat aset cadangan mereka kena samakan dua-dua sekali. So sebenarnya mereka ada satu Luna Foundation Guard. Mereka guna ini untuk meyakinkan investor sebab mereka nak bagi tahu ni harga stablecoin ni adalah sama serata.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Then so basically to like you mentioned just now lah, to keep the stableness of the currency kan, that's why they try to pair up with each other, is it? The UST and Terra Luna kan? Sorry, Terra UST and Terra Luna.
UST dengan Luna.
So yeah, these two differences, especially even for me, who's someone who's into the cryptocurrency world, can get confused juga kan. Especially for people who are not into the cryptocurrency world, they can get really confused. That's why we're trying to get this information out kan. So basically, just to recap, just now you mentioned Terra Luna and Terra UST are two different currencies, right? Two different currencies established by Terra Labs in South Korea, and then to establish the stableness of the two currency, they paired with each other again, so that if one price drops, the other one will increase to stabilize the ratio lah, 1-to-1 ratio kan?
1-to-1 ratio, yes, correct.
Okay. But I have a question lah. Actually, because people are used to trading pairing of USDT and BUSD kan. So what exactly is the difference between UST and USDT/BUSD? Just now you mentioned UST is T stands for Thailand, right? Ada difference ke with for their pairing? Okay,
biasanya mereka yang ni sebenarnya dia ada lebih more on deep in another chapter. I mean another issue there.
Okay.
Yes.
Faham. Okay. So this one is it's basically the no big difference lah. It's just another way of trying to establish a stable coin, yeah? Is that correct? Okay. Because if I'm not mistaken, USDT and BUSD are more actually USDT are more commonly used in other exchanges kan. And then BUSD of course for Binance USD kan. Right now Binance is the biggest exchange if I'm not mistaken, biggest digital asset exchange. Okay. So is there any other currency that is paired with USD that you know of? Because I think this is my first time hearing USD lah.
Ada lagi mana?
Tak ada kan? I think so far all I've only heard they're pairing with Terra Luna lah, correct? Okay lah. I guess we can move on to the next one lah. Okay, so we get to the meat of the question, meat of the day kan. So what actually happened lah to Terra Luna kan? What made everyone talk about Luna? Kenapa dia boleh naik tinggi-tinggi? They went to they got their all-time high, I believe, in April kan.
Yeah.
And then right after that, crash lah. Of course, the biggest news, one of the biggest crash that happened and affected a lot of people. So maybe Edmond can explain to us, give us a bit of insight lah. What do you think happened and what actually happened and stuff like that.
Okay, tadi sebenarnya kita ada cerita mereka they need to balance up. So yes, untuk retail kalau mereka buat sikit buy ataupun sell, masa mereka nak buat itu keseimbangan, mereka tak rasa itu big impact sana. Tapi bayangkan kalau ada satu institusi ataupun kita, sebab mereka tak cakap siapa orang tu, mereka cuba buat satu transaction yang besar punya, maybe berpuluh-puluh beratus-ratus juta. Kalau mereka sell USDT ataupun mereka nak buat apa sebarang transaction, maka keseimbangan kita sudah tidak nampak dekat sana.
Right.
Maksud, yes, kalau anda kata dia sudah drop dekat bawah,
then the Luna will have to balance it. You have to go up
cover
much more lah.
Yes. Jadi yang ini buat dia punya strategi berlaku.
So what happened actually? Did someone or some company sell a big chunk of USDT ke or USD ke macam mana?
Yes, yang ini sebenarnya ada orang dia buat satu transaction yang sangat besar, tapi yang orang ni kita memang tak ada news mengenai dia.
We don't know who it is lah.
Yes, sama ada dia institusi ataupun retail punya orang ataupun satu company besar. Memang yang ini sebagai satu secret. Tak tahu semua.
Actually this information a lot of people want to know kan. A lot of people want to know who caused this crash.
Siapa yang sangat dia ada kuasa yang kuat dengan dia ada itu capital yang besar untuk buat Luna ini.
Right. Yeah, because everyone needs to have someone to blame kan, because it affected quite a lot of people. I believe they sold roughly around 350 million USD, is it?
Yeah.
That's quite a significant.
Betul, itu amount memang sangat besar.
Yeah, so according to your keseimbangan that you mentioned earlier between Terra Luna and Terra USD, so if someone did sell the 350 million USD, meaning Terra Luna would have to increase their price to match the 350 million of USD that has been sold lah kan, to maintain the balance.
Yes, sebab dia adalah satu chain. Andai kata kalau kita sudah tahu ada satu orang dia buat itu trading, sama ada sell ataupun buy dengan mendadak, dekat bawah semua retail mereka akan ikut. That's why dia akan jadi satu bola, akan berguling semakin besar. Yes. Jadi andai kata hari ini I tahu news ini segera, I pun ikut. Ada orang sell, I pun ikut saja. I seorang tak apa. Yes, tapi this is the whole world, seluruh dunia.
Right, betul.
Andai kata yes, semua retail seorang pun ikut dia. Tapi Luna satu company saja. Beribu-ribu orang attack dia. Jadi inilah buat dia crash.
Yeah, it's a chain effect lah kan. Once the 350 million was sold, everyone was selling lah. Everyone was selling, and then it just made the gap even bigger kan. So that's why Terra Luna couldn't keep balance, and that caused a crash lah basically. Okay, so now I just have a personal opinion lah. I want to ask you your personal opinion. Do you think Do Kwon or both the founders of Terra Labs, and do you think they were involved in the crash move to cash out maybe? Because there's some people suggested that lah, they were involved because if I'm not mistaken lah, I think I read some news yang some evidence was suggesting that he was expecting it because dekat South Korea dia orang ada nampak he dissolved his company or something like that lah, before the event happened. So some people were saying that this guy, he was expecting this big transaction, so he wants to cash out, that's why he did all this to try to cover it up. Macam say for example, dia tak tahu lah, he just wants to say they don't know who did it, so they just cash out with whatever amount of money that they got, and then that's that. So what do you personally think? Do you think it was an attack, or was it involved with the founders of Terra Labs, or what do you think?
Okay, sebenarnya yang ini still sebagai satu secret. kebanyakan
correct,
kita pun tak banyak tahu. Tapi
Yeah.
sebenarnya kejadian yang macam ni biasa. Mostly itu founder mereka they know a bit hints already, mereka sudah tahu sikit hints, tapi apa tindakan mereka nak buat mereka tak ada paparkan dekat news atau apa. Lepas tu andai kata kalau macam you kata mereka sudah buat satu tindakan macam mereka sudah cash out, mereka sudah nak siap setia nak tinggalkan company biar je, tapi kita tak tahu. Tapi semasa mereka buat dekat media, mereka mungkin akan buat another story untuk sama ada cover mereka ke ataupun nak protect mereka sendiri ataupun yang lain punya tujuan.
Yalah, I mean once it gets to the media, once they release official statements, it's all going to be PR booth lah kan. They won't discriminate themselves. But yeah, that's because it affected a lot of people. I mean the token turun about 90% kan, within 24 hours. So some people, so some people, so they want to take out the investment in Terra Luna pun tak sempat nak keluarkan, or some exchanges pun they freeze the assets because the prices were moving too fast kan. So so a lot of people were affected lah. That's why people were speculating yang Dokuan ni ataupun the founders diorang memang dah expect benda ni. So that's why they did all this lah. But it's okay, it's still up in the air kan. We still don't know what actually happened. We don't know who caused the 350 million sell of USD. We just have to wait lah, because right now the communication between the founders of Terra Luna, they're only doing it through Twitter kan, most of it. So we just have to keep up to date from there lah. Okay, so moving on, kita nak tahu lah. Okay, since we know that it affected quite a few people, but can you explain further lah what exactly apa kesan-kesan sampingan yang Terra Luna that happened to Terra Luna on the investors of Terra Luna? Maybe you can just explain further lah.
Alright, so kenapa kripto lain? Macam-macam kripto sebenarnya ada strategi macam ni, tapi mereka punya itu strategi tak menggemparkan sangat. Tak kuat sangat. Kenapa Luna dia ada situasi macam ni? Sebab Luna ni, sebab dia adalah satu stable coin. So kebanyakan investor mereka ingat, nama pun sudah stable, jadi mereka ingat yang ni memang stable.
Memang betul-betul stable lah.
Betul-betul stable. Lagipun yang ini Luna sudah lama dia sudah jalan tu. So kebanyakan investor mereka pun tak sangka apa yang berlaku hari ini. So kebanyakan investor mereka fikir tak apalah, duit letak saja, bagi dia guling 2 kali ganda, 30 kali ganda, mereka tak kisah. Tapi apabila mereka mengalami kerugian ataupun rencana macam ni, dia tiba-tiba attack, mereka nak buat withdrawal tak sempat dah, sebab exchange punya platform mereka tak sempat nak keluar duit yang sejumlah besar tu.
Betul.
Ni pun salah satu sebab mereka nak buat withdrawal pun kena,
it takes time right?
Yes, kena ambil masa, sebab dia turun dalam masa 24 jam saja. So kalau dia memang kena take action sangat cepat.
Betul. I personally know a few people lah that invested in Terra Luna, and they were quite affected by it lah. Not so much of a big amount, tapi quite substantial lah kan. So I know like some issues that they were telling me, like you mentioned, diorang nak withdraw because they will look at the price, memang turun laju gila kan. So from that they were trying to withdraw tapi tak boleh, account freeze lah, they can't withdraw their Luna lah and everything lah. They can't even transfer from here and there because of the big changes that was happening within the platform. But it's seeing as investing in crypto can be very risky, and like you mentioned, it's also called stablecoin. And I believe they've been audited as well. That's why people trust it, right? They trust the stablecoin, they trust they trust the currency, and that's why people were quite optimistic towards it, right? So maybe what advice can you give to these investors, that are affected by this lunar crash, and maybe what advice you can give to them to what actions they can take to mitigate the risk? Because like you mentioned, because everyone was not expecting this kind. Everyone was thinking that, oh, this is a stable coin, it should be fine. They've done their research, they have an audited accounts by very substantial audited firms lah, and they have the history and experience to back it up. But then these things still happen lah. Maybe you have like small advices, actions that they can take lah to prevent all this risk.
Okay, sebenarnya kalau kita selain Luno, crypto lain pun sama juga. Sebelum kita masuk, kita join, saya personally berharap jangan dengar terlalu khabar angin dekat luar. Maksudnya ikut apa yang orang buat. Maksudnya kalau hari ni Fadhil kata selain Luna, mungkin Ethereum sekarang sangat tengah uptrend. So
very stable.
Yes. Lepas tu Edmond, I pun ikut Fadhil pergi. So whatever we do, apa yang kita buat nak ambil satu tindakan tu, kita kena fikir. Satu, kita kena fikir masa-masa. Dua, kita kena fikir tentang kemampuan kita. Kenapa rencana sekarang ni mereka ada banyak investor, kita akan dengar banyak khabar angin. Ada investor dia commit suicide, ataupun itu investor dia macam-macam lah. Sebab mereka guna duit bukan sahaja mungkin kemungkinan besar mereka pinjam duit dari kawan, dari bank, macam Chinese say show hand.
Betul.
Show hand. Itu adalah sangat risiko. Yes. Betul. Tapi
keep going.
Okay. Jadi yang semua ni mungkin ada rakan-rakan di luar, mereka akan fikir ni financial analyst cakap senang, tapi mana kita boleh dapat itu berita ataupun informasi yang sangat tepat dengan cepat. So yang ni saya sini saya nak cerita sekali lagi dekat Crypchain ni, dekat kita platform sini memang mereka ada satu department, financial analyst punya department. Mereka akan buat semua information dalam 3 bahasa. Mereka akan blast keluar. So every day, setiap hari, apabila itu investor mereka bangun, mereka tak payah risau. Sebab tak kisahlah dekat Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, macam-macam social media, mereka boleh dapat itu information.
Oh, so basically in Crypchain Academy ni, it's not just that they were presenting updated news lah. It's that they also have a financial analyst yang mereka akan summarize lah basically. Am I right? They will summarize all the latest news and information, and then they will publish an article lah, I'm assuming, right?
They also will analyze the current situation. I mean the chart. They will do the analysis. They will predict the movement.
Right. What they think will happen in the next 24 hours maybe.
Yes.
Based on the news that they've written up lah. So it's quite useful lah. Crypchain Academy ni, it's not just the news lah. I mean, if you just want the news, you can go to any sort of news website ke apa semua kan. So I'm getting the advantages now lah of Crypchain Academy, that they have their own team yang they will summarize and help you understand even better and give you macam peace of mind lah. You don't have to read up everything on your own. You can just read up the summarized information and see what are the analysts punya predictions, and from there they can make their own decisions kan.
Selain itu mereka pun ada bagi education.
Alright, yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's very useful lah. I think I'll have to check it out lah as a person into the cryptocurrency world, and I think this is quite a useful platform kan. When was Crypchain Academy established? When did you guys start it?
Actually, we started last year.
Oh, so it's quite new lah. It's quite new.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay lah. Back to Terra Luna. Tak habis lagi. This quite interesting topic. Okay, so now that we know, Terra Luna had a crash this past month, and a lot of investors are affected. Everyone is trying to understand what happened, why it happened, and how to prevent it. Kan? So, do you have any news? Apa rancangan Terra Luna masa depan? Did they announce anything ke? Macam mana?
Okay, Terra Luna dia semasa dia berlaku itu pengasas, of course, pengasas dengan investor ataupun every party mereka akan rasa panik. So mereka pun tak sangka itu rencana dari mana ataupun dia punya source where it come from. I mean itu institusi yang dia buat satu transaction yang besar tu, mereka tak pasti yang mana datang. So kemudian tu mereka itu pencipta, mereka sudah ada buat satu backup plan. Mereka sudah ada buat satu rencana yang baru. Rencana baru ni dia ada banyak sebab. Satu, dia nak tenangkan itu investor punya hati. Nak bagi tahu mereka Terra Luna masih bergerak, tak kena rencana tapi sebenarnya sudah. Mereka akan fikir cara untuk pemulihan dia. Ni satu. Untuk selamatkan Luna. Lepas tu, dua, selain mereka nak bagi untuk buat kepercayaan, to rebuild kepercayaan investor, mereka pun nak bagi Terra Luna ni sambung. So mereka ada keluar satu rantaian yang baru, iaitu Luna Classic.
Dia ada keluarkan baru lagi.
Yang ini sebagai pembentanan saja. Backup saja, tapi mereka belum confirm lagi. Okay, faham.
So ada lagi ke? Dia orang punya plan?
Ada dah.
Tak ada. Okay. So basically dia senang kata they've only addressed the issue lah, tapi tak ada solution in play yet.
Yup.
Okay. So as of right now memang tak ada solution lagi lah kan. But at least we know that they are trying to solve this issue. They are trying to get the investors calm and not sue them, because I think dekat Singapore sudah ada orang saman Terra Luna kan.
Betul.
On behalf of all the Terra Luna investors, I read the news that dekat Singapore pun dah ada orang saman.
Dekat Korea pun ada kalau tak silap.
Korea pun ada So it's quite serious issue lah.
Yes, tapi yang itu semua sama ada itu news betul atau tidak, nanti mungkin financial analyst mereka akan bagi buktikan. Sebab sekarang ni nak dapat satu news dekat itu website memang sangat senang. Tapi dia punya news adalah betul, tulen ataupun yang fake news, kita tak.
So we don't know the credibility lah.
Yes.
Okay. So we just hear the news, we just hear the word here and there, but we just don't know whether or not it's true lah. Okay, understood. Okay lah. So this Terra Luna thing, this topic is quite interesting lah. But from there, we've come to the end of the session. Kita dah tahu basically what happened kan. What is Terra Luna, and how, what happened to it, and macam mana, why the crash happened kan. But with that, kita nak I just want to introduce I think your team member is representing the today's sponsor lah, Bitcoin Win. So I just want to invite Encik Gerald Chan, who's a marketing representative of Bitcoin Win. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Gerald Chan, are you there?
Hai, salam perkenalan.
Salam perkenalan.
Salam sejahtera.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah?
Excited?
Yeah, right. This is quite interesting topic. I'm really interested in getting to know the perkembangan lah in the cryptocurrency world within Southeast Asia, especially within Malaysia lah, since this is where we live kan. Okay lah, Mr. Gerald Chan, I can call you Gerald Chan.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe you can introduce us with your background, what you do, and how did you get into this cryptocurrency world lah, to the viewers out there.
Okay. My name is Gerald.
Hi.
You boleh panggil saya Chan juga. Kebanyakan kawan Melayu saya panggil saya Chan lah. Senang disebut
Senang
kan.
kan.
So saya adalah marketing representative untuk penaja live session hari ini, iaitu Bitcoin Win, untuk menaja program live inilah.
Okay. So maybe you can.
Saya akan
Sorry.
memperkenalkan platform kripto Bitcoin Win ataupun dikenali BCWEX kepada penonton live. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so
Okay.
BCWEX Okay,
Ya, betul.
Bitcoin
Itu
Win
dia
Exchange
punya
lah.
short form lah. Bitcoin Win Exchange.
Okay, boleh continue.
Bitcoin Win Exchange ialah sebuah cryptocurrency exchange platform yang memberi perkhidmatan perdagangan dan pelaburan cryptocurrency yang selamat dan mesra pengguna, user friendly lah. Perkhidmatan perdagangan Bitcoin Win ni meliputi lebih daripada 130 countries termasuk Amerika Syarikat, Canada, Southeast Asia seperti Malaysia, Vietnam, Singapura, China pun ada, dan Australia dan lain-lain lah. So Bitcoin Win, BCWEX, mempunyai sekumpulan pasukan teknikal terdiri daripada Microsoft, Citigroup, HSBC, Alibaba, dan kami telah membangun sistem perdagangan aset digital yang terkemuka, stabil dan berdasarkan teknologi blockchain lah. Platform BCW ditubuhkan pada tahun 2018 dan diasaskan di Toronto, Canada. BCW dikawal selia oleh agensi kewangan kerajaan Australia, Austrac, ataupun dikenali sebagai Australian Transaction Report and Analyst Center lah, dan memegang lesen digital asset kerajaan Australia ni. Untuk maklumat yang lanjut, penonton boleh melayari laman web sosial Bitcoin Win ataupun BCWEX Global, laman web official Facebook, Instagram pun ada, dan anytime you can approach us via message, private message pun boleh, ataupun melayari official website kita lah.
Okay. What is your official website for this Bitcoin Win?
You can Google search BCWEX, then it will appear.
Okay,
The link
no,
will
I
be
think I
provided.
see it at the bar down there also, boleh tengok kan, bcwex.co. Okay, so all
boleh.
our viewers, you can visit the website there lah. It's easy. You can just look at the screen
Link
and
also
type it up.
will provide it.
Okay, we can also provide the link and you can just click on it lah. Okay, so Bitcoin Win Exchange ni, so it's quite established lah. Like you mentioned, they're established in more than 130 countries, is it?
Yes.
Including US, Canada, and Southeast Asia lah. Okay. So they're quite established lah, because this is my first time hearing Bitcoin Win kan. So before this, they were daripada mana? Canada, right?
Canada.
Okay. So they've only just starting to enter the Southeast Asian market. Am I right?
It's just last year.
Oh, just last year lah.
Last year we entered into Malaysia market. It's just last year.
I see. So it's very new lah.
Yeah, it's very new.
Okay. So am I wrong to, I guess, compare and compare between Bitcoin Win and Luno? Because I think in Malaysia, when you talk about digital asset currency exchange, people think of Luno lah. That's because they've been here longer kan. So maybe you can explain to us the differences between Bitcoin Win exchange and Luno. Maybe we can just start with some basic differences maybe.
Boleh. The most what they call yang paling senang sebut adalah perbezaan Luno dengan Bitcoin Win. Ialah Luno dia provide spot sajalah, provide spot.
Alright,
But
okay.
Bitcoin Win specialize dalam contracts ataupun dikenali futures lah. Semasa contoh, saya sebagai contoh semasa pengguna menjalani segala trading di Luno, dia adalah memberi dengan segera lah, on the spot. So nama dia spot kan, on the spot.
Buy and sell lah, normal buy and sell kan?
Ya, betul. Manakala jikalau user dia trading di Bitcoin Win, BCWEX Global, user dapat mengambil peluang untuk pergerakan trading di sebaliknya. Contohnya, semasa buy-in untuk spot di Luno, user juga boleh trade untuk entry sell untuk Luno di platform Bitcoin Win lah. Itu adalah perbezaan.
Okay, so other than spot trading, Bitcoin Win they also provide contract trading lah that you mentioned. That means
Yes.
futures and
Currently,
options trading.
we
am I right?
are specialized at contract only. Maybe in the
Okay,
near future, we will add on spot trading as well lah.
I see.
But currently,
Okay,
it's
okay.
only contract.
All right. So currently the Bitcoin Win only does contract trading lah.
Yes.
Okay, understood. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's quite interesting lah because I initially thought it was only spot trading because like when you compare digital asset exchanges like Luno, it's only spot trading, right? People are not really exposed to contract trading.
Yeah.
But before Binance was banned in Malaysia, people could do contract trading through options and futures trading through Binance lah. But now legally they cannot anymore. So I guess this is a good opportunity for Malaysians, to get into contract trading cryptocurrencies. And may I know what currencies yang Bitcoin Win offer within the platform itself?
Dia ada 8 currency.
Okay.
Bitcoin mesti adalah sebab dia adalah yang terunggul kan.
The biggest one.
Bitcoin,
Yeah, of course.
the biggest. So ada Bitcoin, ada Ethereum, ada Bitcoin Cash, ada Chainlink, ada Polkadot, ada Bitcoin Win SV, ada EOS.io, dan ada Litecoin. So we only specialize on 8 cryptocurrency only.
Okay, so these are your 8 main ones lah.
Yes, and
are
all
you
these are
planning-
the biggest.
Okay, yeah. Are you planning to add more or so right now memang fokus untuk 8 ni je?
Right now only focus on 8 ni sahaja. Maybe
Okay,
future
okay.
we'll add on lah. Who knows, right?
Hopefully because the more options that people have in a platform, I think it's quite advantageous lah, and people have more options to do their trading. But okay, that's quite interesting. I think I'll have to check it out. I think people yang they want to start looking into not just spot trading, they want to get into futures trading legally. They can legally they can go through Bitcoin Win. Oh yeah, speaking of legality lah, I want to know because is Bitcoin Win Exchange registered and approved by Securities Commission, the SC, to be a official digital asset exchange in Malaysia?
Okay, because Bitcoin Win platform, dia baru saja masuk market Malaysia pada tahun 2021, last year saja. So buat masa sekarang, kami masih dalam proses memohon lesen Security Commission Malaysia lah. Tapi jangan risau, BCW platform ni, dia memegang lesen digital asset kerajaan Australia yang saya bagi tahu tadi, Australian Transaction and Analysis Centre, sebuah agensi kewangan kerajaan Australia yang mengawal dan memantau transaksi kewangan untuk mengenal pasti pengubaan wang haram, jenayah terancang, pengelakan cukai penipuan. So we are control and governance under Australia. So Australian the agency lah.
Okay.
So
So
Bitcoin
right
ni
now,
dia
So keep
sesuai
going,
untuk mereka yang ingin mencuba atau ingin mempelajari berdagang kripto dan melabur kripto. Banyak lagi promosi dan giveaway campaign akan melancarkan lah di market Malaysia in the near future because we are still new, right? We want more people to learn about cryptocurrency and all that, and we will give a lot of giveaway lah. So follow our Facebook and Instagram to know more about the promotion, the giveaway.
Sure. Okay, so basically, as of right now, it's not yet registered under SC lah as a digital asset exchange, right? But you guys are also regulated by the Australian punya what's that? Australian Transaction Reports and Analysis Centre again as a digital asset. So I guess that says that the credibility is there lah. People should not be scared of trying it out, trying the contract trading dalam Bitcoin Win Exchange kan? Okay. This is my personal question lah. Since you mentioned the Bitcoin Win ada contract trading, do you guys do paper trading as well? Just for people to paper trading.
No.
No paper trading lah. Okay. For those of you maybe tak tahu lah, paper trading is basically macam fake money lah. You want to trade but using fake money kan. Yeah.
No,
So
really.
you know, yeah, like I don't know if you know the platform TradingView.
I never heard about that.
Okay. So TradingView, it's similar. They do contract trading, but they have this thing called paper trading lah, where people who maybe macam nak test out not using real money, so they can just put in, okay, I want to invest in $1,000, and then with that $1,000 they'll trade lah. They'll do your futures trade.
Trial.
Yeah,
Is it
trial
like
lah.
a trial?
Yeah,
We do
correct.
have.
Yeah.
We do have.
Oh, you do. Oh,
But
okay. So
we have this
okay, so you do
promotion
have lah.
also.
Okay. So people can just test out the strategies maybe, but then tapi tak guna real money, correct?
Yes, it's like a trial only. Bagi dia belajar
okay.
dulu.
Right. Okay, yeah. So that's I think that's quite a big advantage lah for people who want to test out, kan?
Yes.
They can just do a trial. They don't have to use real money. If they lose money, then
Without
stake
any
money lah.
risk.
Right. Monopoly
Yeah,
money lah, basically. Okay, yeah, that's quite interesting. I think people should definitely check it out. Bitcoin Win Exchange is a new platform, digital asset exchange in Malaysia. That's up and coming, baru established last year again. So people should definitely check it out. Just now you mentioned, Cik Gerald, you mentioned that because you guys are still new, so you guys ada banyak promotion apa semua kan, to attract new investors and new users to register their accounts in your platform lah. So maybe you can just give us, let us know what are the promotions that you are promoting right now, so people can know and try to take advantage of it lah.
So currently we are running one promotions or marketing campaign for new register. Download the Bitcoin Win apps in Apple Store. Play Store masih belum ada lagi, tapi kita ada link provide lah for you to download in your Android phone. And then after you register, you approach our customer service officer. We will have a reward for the rookies traders, RM8 touch and go credit lah to their touch and go. So have to register with their real phone number with some KYC process, know your customer process. Like you have to provide your name, your number, and all that.
Basically verification process lah.
Our verification process. We don't ask others sensitive question lah for this PDPA purpose.
Correct. Okay. So other than the RM8 touch and go wallet credit, that one is valid until forever ke? Ada macam expiry date ke?
Start June. Start on June.
Starting from June lah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So that's a good way to try to attract more new investors again. And okay, that's pretty good to hear. Do you have anything that you want to add to promote the Bitcoin Exchange or even the Crypchain Academy? That's also another interesting platform that you guys have.
Okay, for those who are really new, rookies to cryptocurrency, you all may follow Instagram or Facebook of Crypchain Academy. They are the education providers in the market to teach people on how to trade or how to invest in cryptocurrency, give a lot of accurate information on it. For those who are choosing a platform, you're thinking which platform to choose to invest, maybe you can try to choose a Bitcoin Win as your first move lah, as your first landing in the world of cryptocurrency, because it is really user-friendly exchange platform, and we do give a lot of giveaway activities lah.
Okay. Do you guys have maybe like a Telegram group ke, WhatsApp group ke that people can join, or maybe have like a community that people can get into?
Yes, we have our Telegram group. Maybe the link we can share on the comments later.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, later
Yeah.
I guess one of you guys or one of us will share all the links or whatever that we have mentioned in this live session, and all the interested users can check it out lah. All right. So yeah, I think that wraps it up for today's topic lah. If I could just recap everything that we mentioned today, Crypchain Academy, like you mentioned earlier, is quite a good platform for people who are new to cryptocurrency, or even people who are already into cryptocurrency. They just want to get more and more updated information and more precise summarized information yang cepat and tepat from your own financial analyst. Then you can check out Crypchain Academy lah. And then from there, kalau you still interested, if you want to make some trading and not just spot trading, just normal buy and sell. You're a bit of a risky investor again, a slightly more risky investor. Maybe you can check out Bitcoin Win Exchange. It's interesting because you guys buat contract trading kan? Contract trading meaning futures trading lah basically. And that's why you can leverage, but don't leverage so much. We are just financial advisors. Please do your own research. And yeah, so I just want to thank you, Gerald and Edmond, for joining us today. I'm really quite excited about this platform, and if it was up to me, I'll keep talking for another hour lah, because this is an interesting topic, and it's very beneficial for a lot of our our viewers lah, because we do get a lot of requests to talk about cryptocurrency. And of course, to our viewers right now, please don't forget to like and share. And follow our social media pages. I believe kita ada dekat Facebook ada, YouTube ada, LinkedIn ada, Instagram ada, TikTok pun ada. And of course, similarly, please follow Bitcoin Win Exchange and Crypchain Academy. And I just want to thank again Edmond and Gerald for joining us today. And yeah, I think that's it. You guys have any last words to say to our viewers?
Do follow our social media and approach us if you have any question, and if you're interested to learn about cryptocurrency. You can learn from Crypchain Academy. We have 6 amazing financial analysts to provide accurate information to you guys.
All right, great. All right. I think that's it. I want to say thank you again. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
All right. Bye. Have a good day.
Ingat semula dan terus percaya, buktikan semangat kita bersama.
Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu, Malaysia.
Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian untukmu, Malaysiaku. Salam sejahtera Malaysia, warna-warni indah hias tercipta. Walau kita berbeza suara, tetap bersamamu akan hadapinya.
Hidup satu bumi, kita semua satu rumpun. Kau bahasa apa, aku tidak kisah. Mereka bersama satu Malaysia.
Hasilnya memang luar biasa, impanya ke serata dunia. Jadi kita jangan berbelah, sebab kita janji kita akan jaga kita. Hey, yeah.
Tanam di minda, semai di jiwa, penuh bangsa, agama dan budaya. Tetap kita sehati sejiwa, itulah kekuatan Malaysia. Walau kita berbeza, namun tetap jiwa kita kan setia. Hatiku tetap bersamamu, Malaysia. Selamanya ini tanah tumpahnya darahku, keranamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku, dirgahayu selamanya. Kan ku berjuang demi negaraku, hingga saat nafas terakhirku, pertahankan kedamaian. Selamanya ini tak tumpahnya darahku, karenamu kita kan bersatu. Kau jiwa dan kau ragaku.